Would you recommend that place?
Oh.
What to do, y'all? We at Pono Hawaiian Grill trying another one of y'all recommendations. And oh my goodness, I had the highest hopes for this place. Check out the freaking food. Oh my goodness. The bar, the food, everything, even the outdoor seating go crazy. Just from the appearance, you feel me? Look at me. Look at how excited I am to try this food. Oh my God. I'm ready to dig in, you feel me? But as soon as I took that first bite, I knew we was on to nothing. Damn. Bro, that's me looking around for the flavor. Where is it at? This is the Mahi Mahi Katsu, and it had a great batter, but you could tell it was super overcooked. The temperature was just way too high, and the fish became so dry. The sauce that it came with had a little tang, but damn, it was salty. A little dry, but I think that's just how the fish is. Bro, did you hear what I just said? That's me being hopeful, okay? And anybody talking about, oh, I didn't put the lemon on it or this and that. Bruh, I did do it, and it was still dry. I tried my wife's poke bowl, and that mug had no flavor in it. This is all the leftovers because the food was just so boring, so flavorless. Would you eat Hawaiian food again, babe?
Oh, yeah. I love Hawaiian food.
Oh, would you go back to that place?
No.
Would you recommend that place?
Hell no. Hell, fuck no.
Y'all 0 for 2 today, man. Dang. It's not that the food was bad. It just was lacking flavor, and the sauces just had way too much salt. The staff was great and the environment was a freaking vibe, but we will not be returning. Thank you so much, God, for the opportunity. If y'all send the cash app, I'm gonna go eat at y'all recommendations. 200-mile radius, I changed my mind. Only 80-mile radius, because you know what I firmly believe? The further away we get from the bay, the more flavor you lose. I believe that now. And look at what we gotta go through to freaking get to y'all places. And y'all 0 for 2. Both y'all recommendations was
The sky just literally completely went dark.
Yo.
I just had the camera on like a couple seconds ago.
We're under the cloud now. That's insane.
Oh, they did say it was gonna rain out
That's
here.
what I was trying to say, honey. Remember the clouds that we saw very far away along the horizon when we were at the pier?
Yeah.
I saw those clouds. They're coming. They're here now. So tomorrow gonna rain.
Right there.
Got it?
Yeah.
Nice.